welcome back to OtherBuys. Today we've got a Holy Stone HS440 drone. And I got this from Amazon. It's around about £90. Sometimes you can get it with a discount code as well. So let's have a look at inside. I'll also pop a link in the description if you want to get one off Amazon or check it out in a bit more detail. So it comes in this box. We've got a carry case with the handle. Let's have a look what's inside. It's got a foam thing to protect the drone. So I have had a little go with this beforehand. So it comes with 2 batteries. One's attached to the drone already. The battery is here. Push that down. Pull it out to release it. Push it in. Make sure that's in. Out there, make sure that's clicked in properly. And you've got the remote. So it comes with this sort of manual, as it were. And then there's more on the back. So as you're getting used to it, you can sort of see what all the buttons do. So you can link this up to your phone because this has got a camera. It's got a 1080p camera on the front. So basically you fold that over. You can clip your phone into there. So that's the controller. We'll go through all the buttons in a little bit. Now I just want to show you what's in the accessories pocket. So you've got a manual, various languages, showing you how to pair the drone, what all the buttons do, how to use it. We've got 2 charging cables, one for each battery. So these plug into a USB plug. They are red when it's charging, and when it's fully charged it goes green. To charge it, you just line those prongs up in there. Shove it in like that. Plug it in and it'll start charging. So we've got 2 batteries, 2 chargers. Some warning information about the battery. Some spare propellers and a screwdriver. So before each flight they recommend that you tighten the screws on the propellers so that they're in place. Some plastic, silicone, and some more caution leaflets. So I'll show you the control. Turn it on by this button. You can change the speed of the drone from low to high. This left joystick controls sort of the height, and you can turn it round. And this one sort of changes the direction. You can set it up to flip those over if you want, but that's the default setting. This one you can use to set the camera or the video. This is how you turn the camera up and down, because if you have a look, it's on like a pivot, so it can go down and up. This button you use to take off or land, or you can hold it and it does an emergency stop, so it will just drop out the air. This one, if you press it once, it will do like a spin on the spot. If you hold it, it will do a big circle if you want to do some camera stuff. This one you can use to, basically if you set it up at the start, you can put it in headless mode, which means it will fly in the direction that it's facing. So sort of if you're following the drone around, that might be the best mode. Otherwise, the normal mode, it sort of just flies from you as a point of reference for when you set it up. And then if you just hold it while you're flying it, because sometimes if the drone's drifting, even though it should be still, you can hold that and then sort of change the joystick to pull it back into position and then let go of that. All the instructions for it are in the manual. And then you've got this little sort of cheat sheet, and then you can scan like the QR codes to get more information. So to pair it up with your phone, there's an app which you download, and then you can see it on the phone screen as you're flying it, and there's also instructional videos on there. So I think what I'll do is I'll set it up and show you sort of taking it off and a little bit of movement, but I won't do too much because I'm going to do it indoors because it's raining outside at the moment and this isn't waterproof. But yeah, if you want to get the drone, check the link. Don't forget to give us a follow and like this video. Alright, thanks guys. Alright guys, we're back. So let's have a go at flying this bad boy. So when we're flying, camera facing forwards, you fold the propellers out. Do the front ones first, because otherwise the back one gets the catch. So you fold these front ones out, and then we put it down. So I'm not going to connect the phone because I'm using my phone to record the video. But when you do, it's really important that you turn off all your mobile data, Bluetooth and other Wi-Fi, and you connect to the Wi-Fi coming from the drone. So you turn the drone on, and then it should flash. There you go. And then you can connect on your phone. Yeah, and then this is when we turn on the controller, so it should make a beep. There we go. And then to pair it, go up, down, should beep, and then the red light under the drone should stop flashing. And this is the bit that was a bit temperamental for me. I don't know if it's because the drone is faulty or it's just the way it is, but to calibrate it, you're supposed to do this before every flight so it flies properly. You have to push these joysticks down the diagonal, and it should make a beep, but it never seems to do it properly for me. I don't know if this is just my drone or what, but there we go, it's beeped. Don't know if it's just a certain angle or what. So now it's calibrated. Now we need to want it to set off. So to do that, we push them both down and in. So again, it's a bit temperamental for me. There we go. And then if we press this button, it'll take off. God, I hope this doesn't hit anything. There we go. You can't see anything, but it's going. Ooh. So I pressed the button and it landed itself. And that's it, the HS440 drone from Holy Stone. Probably would have been a bit better if you could see me flying it outdoors and on a bigger non-fixed camera, but this is all we could do today. So turn it off, press that button, turns off, fold that down, and power the drone off. Right, if you like this video guys, please like and subscribe. It means a lot, and we'll see you next time. Thanks very much.